Wow, the water is coming out. Let me wash my hand. Let me lock the water off. The water has been locked. Now, let me open the water up. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. If I close it, let me close it up. It's a pressing waste. Now this is the jacuzzi. Jacuzzi cup is coming out. Here. Now shower is as well working. Yes. Can I use the telephone shower? Arrange yourself. This is a confident Nigerian plumbing advertised at work. This is enclosed shower cubicle. Get himself. Can as well sit down. Yo. Get yourself shower. You can switch. Yes, see the pressure. Very high. Can see? You can massage yourself. You can massage yourself with this.